This is Yair from Rain the Dog. You're watching the Beyond Selenium tutorials. This series of lectures gives you the ability to extend Selenium capabilities and to understand more deeply how to use Selenium and how to be the best automation developer out there. In today's lecture, we'll study how to hover an element with Selenium. So let's get started. First of all, I want to present you guys the test. We'll go to YouTube and then we'll hover this, the search icon. As you can see, we have this tooltip text here. Let's inspect this element. Okay. I see that this search icon has an ID, the search icon legacy. Okay. So let's copy this ID and let's start our test. First, we'll go to our project in IntelliJ. We'll right-click our project folder and new Java class. We'll call this class over element example. Now we can start our test. As always, we'll extend our common actions class. If you don't know what common action is, it's a class that we're wrapping Selenium and enhancing its capabilities. Please go back to previous lectures. Now we'll do driver.get http youtube.com and let's declare the search button. Web element search button, and we'll go to our superclass and we'll get element by ID as we created in previous lectures, and this is our ID. Now let's try and print its text. So the search button dot get text. So we'll write down the text before over was let's try to run it out and to see if we get the text of this button, the tooltip text. Okay, let's see our result. The text before over was nothing. It doesn't have any text because this text currently is hidden. So let's do the mouse over. Now we need to initialize an actions of Selenium. This class will give us some more interesting capabilities. So it will be new actions, and we need to pass the WebDriver as a parameter to its constructor. Of course, I need to import it. So yes, I've imported it. Now, the only thing we need to do is to do actions dot move to element. Our element is the search button, and we need to perform. Now we can move to this element and we'll try to print the text after. So the text after over was search button.text. Let's run it down to see if everything is working properly, and we'll see if we got the required result. Okay, our test has passed, and also you can see that it was mouse over. So let's go back to IntelliJ. The text before over was nothing because the text was hidden. After the over, which was successful, we had search. So for completion, let's just assert the text after. Okay, we'll just assert. Now our test is completed. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this lecture. Hope you're staying safe during this coronavirus crisis. And if you like this video, give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please write down in the comment section down below if you would like to hear some more ideas for lectures, or if you have some difficulties and want to understand more. Thank you and stay safe.